Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to group items or videos that you have recorded in Camtasia. I'll be using Camtasia 2020 since it's the latest version. Before we get started, I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you love this topic, subscribe now and hit the bell notification so as you don't miss when I upload videos like this. So as you can see here, I have this media that is already grouped. This media is for the lower third. As you can see, when I go through, you are seeing the lower third here. So I will not ungroup it, but I have ungrouped this other area that I was working on, whereby I do have a callout, which is the blue callout here. Then I do have the first text, which is the heading, and then the second text there. Then we do have another text up here, so let me modify this, and then we do have the last text here and another one, I believe, there. In order to make the timeline to be okay, you can see there are more text here, so this is a very large timeline. In order to make the timeline to be short, you need to learn how to group items together, so you make the timeline short and clean for you to view. So how do you group items in Camtasia? So these are callouts, and I want to group the full text, the callout plus the video together so that it may become one. So let me come in. What I need to do is select all the text, the callouts, and the video together. After selecting, the first step you do is you right click and then you go to group. So as you can see, that is how you group a video. The second method is using the shortcut. So if I undo, you hold Control then G on your keyboard, and that one is going to group your callouts, texts, and videos together. So guys, that is how you group items on Camtasia. Kindly subscribe and like this video if you love the content on Camtasia, and I'll be doing more tutorials about Camtasia, so watch out for them, and see you next time.